It's a 2008 BMW 3 Series. Nothing short of remarkable. Every element evokes a distinct sense of luxury, intelligent engineering, and performance. It comes with all the amenities you need. AM/FM satellite prep radio, dual zone climate control, key fob activated rear windows, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, i6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, auxiliary audio input, leather steering wheel, and refrigerated box located in the console. Edmunds.com finds whether your priority is an engaging driving experience, an elegant cabin environment, or simply curbside prestige, this car delivers in spades. BMW, the ultimate driving machine. Hurry in today for a test drive.